Hello guys, hello, how are you doing? Today we're gonna be talking about the case of Cwecwe that is dropped by NPA due to lack of evidence. And I've seen on social media people are saying that Cwecwe's mother might have lied about the situation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section. I want to say something, guys. I don't think there's any mother, father, or a parent that can, in normal, sane moment, and then just lie about their daughter being R-word. I mean, the fact that there's lack of evidence, it doesn't mean that Kwekwe's mother has lied. What it all means is that NPA has failed, or not NPA, the SAPS investigative unit have failed to gather enough evidence for NPA to present in court. They have said in Shiro Zondi that the SAPS and the SAPS, which is the investigating wing, and the NPA cannot work together in order to prosecute these people because the evidence chain of custody is not maintained. The way evidence has been handled in South Africa, it shows that these people that are hired there, they cannot do the correct job, or they don't know the correct procedure, because evidence is such a very important thing when it comes to a case. And case like this, they need you to be very diligent. They need you to make sure that you follow everything by a book. And my thing is that if there were any suspects, ne, sorry, Unyaka, ke tlo betha na pinkies. If there were any suspects in this case, who are those suspects? Did they rule all of them out? People of interest. Sometimes they're people of interest. Did they check those people? People around Kwekwe's mother. People who were lurking around when Kwekwe was experiencing this violent act. Did they check with them? Did they check everything? Like, did they turn every stone that needs to be turned? Because you can't say that there's a lack of evidence while there is a medical report that showed that this girl was violated. That medical report on its basis is a starting point. You need to start from there and build something, at least circumstantial evidence, to say that you are withdrawing it. Are you gonna close the case docket? Is it over? Because at this rate, we will not even go to the police. We'll just keep quiet, because why do you say that this case that is of national interest of national interest, a case that has trended, a young girl who's only 7, and she's not the only girl who's suffering this, and now you're saying that you're going to withdraw the case? What are you saying to us? What are you telling us? That, okay, the subs cannot do the work. As for NPA, let's just forget. They don't even teach anyone anything to how to handle the case, how to prepare yourself to court, how to the witnesses and everything that is happening in our justice system. And then we continue to keep quiet. And at the end of the day, what we do is to go on social media, use hashtags and whatnot, and then they don't amount to anything. If there's anything that you need to learn about the Americans, I'm not a fan of America, but if they use social media, just know that someone is about to cry. Just know that justice is going to be served. Just know that something will happen. Even if there's no evidence, there will be a little bit of something happening. That's how America behaves. They don't use social media for just trend and then it ends on social media. Cheryl Zondis, the story ended on social media. The guy was acquitted. Now, the same thing. Even this one, in this case, the guy doesn't even, or the perpetrator, it might be a woman, for instance. Did they check that? Was there any presence of? Because remember that if ever there will be a presence of maybe little bit of a semen, but then if there's no semen, it might be a woman who has violated her. Did they think about that? I mean, this is a case that just makes me so crazy, and for a fact that the person is not gonna be acquitted, it's not acquitted, it's not gonna be trialed, it's not gonna at least serve a sentence, or at least get a justice, like have a day in court and let the judge be the one to decide. You're not even going to court for this case. It's certain. Yo. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section. Do you think that our justice system is one day is gonna just do the right thing? Because at this point, nothing is good.